Hi, my name is Peter. I'm a professional web developer and been one for a little over a year now. And in this series, I'm going over the Udemy courses that helped me land money-making gigs in little less than 6 months into my web development journey. What makes my reviews different from all the other reviews out there? Well, I'm not in for the commission. I am sharing the resources that helped me get to where I am today. So everything I know, all my web development skills come from mostly these Udemy courses. In today's video, I will circle back to the Laravel course I reviewed a few weeks ago, and there are two reasons for that. At the time I created that review, I indicated two things, one of which was that I was doing the course for the second time and I was just about halfway through. So I thought that once I finished the course, I would do another video, an update on how the full project looks like, so you can get an idea of what sort of projects you will be able to build once you take the course. And another thing is that the course originally was created for Laravel 5.8 and Laravel 8 is now out since September, and some of the parts of the course were outdated and needed some updates and revisions, and now the first updates have arrived. There's a whole new introductory section, as well as just about the first half of the course is now fully compatible with Laravel 8. So enough of talking, let's jump straight right into the project and let me show you how the full system looks like. So in the last state of the project shown in my previous video, we were able to authenticate users, post comments and post blog posts obviously, but a lot has happened since. So why don't we just go ahead and create a brand new database. You can do it within seconds using the functionalities we built in the course. You just need to quickly reseed the database. We made it so that we can optionally set the amount of users, blog posts, comments, etc. I want to refresh the whole database. I want 20 users, 50 blog posts, 150 comments per blog post, and 150 per user profile. We have user profiles now as well. I will show you that too. I will make it so that there will be a minimum of 0 tags per blog post and a maximum of 2, just to be able to show you the sorting more visually. Right? So if we go into the PHP MyAdmin, you're going to see that we have a bunch of brand new users. As you can see, they've been created at 10:03. Now it's 10:04. So this is how quickly you can create a number of users and loads of data for you to test your application on. So why don't we just go ahead and log in, let's say as Ernest Greenholz, and see how the platform now looks like. Right, so as you can see, he can't edit or delete posts that weren't posted by him. He, however, would be able to modify this one, for example, or let me see if he has another post. Yeah, he has one more here. Let's start with setting up a profile for him. So you can now go in the profile and modify it. You can change the language, so you can go for German, or, well, Piotr has added Spanish, but I don't speak Spanish unlike English and German, so I've added Hungarian here. But let's just select German, and you can choose a profile photo that has to be 128 per 128 pixels. That's why it looks a bit squished, because I didn't crop it, I just quickly transformed it, forced it into the format. And if we change it, as you can see, the profile photo has been added. and the app, most of the app has been translated to German. So if you go on Blog-Einträge, which is a blog post, you can see that even the updated labels and everything is in German. Obviously not the content, because that is not dynamic, but the platform, the interface is now in German. However, if he logs out, pops back to English. If he were to log in again, do I still have him on my clipboard? Yeah. And it's going to change to German again. Hops. Right, we're back here, and it switched to German. So now we have some processes that we can run in the background, such as emailing. We have 3 email jobs set up. Email that is sent to admins when there's a new blog post posted, in order for them to check compliance with community rules, for example. And we have an email that is sent to the blog post creator that he's got a new comment on his blog post. And then we have an email that is sent to fellow commenters, so people who have commented on the same post. So let me just run the job quickly. And if we do that, and for example, let's comment here. We've got 3 comments here. Hope it's not too disturbing for you that it's now in German. So if we comment here, for example, hello, I do agree totally, then Matthew is going to get an email that he's got a new reply or new comment, and these guys going to get a different type of email that they've got a fellow commenter. So let's just edit, and you're going to see that the processes will run here on our server, local server at the moment, obviously. And now we're going over to an application called Mailtrap, which is for email testing. As you can see, new comment on Aperiam ipsa velit. Is that our, yeah, that's our title. So this is what the post creator gets, and then obviously he can get to his post, and this is what the fellow commenters get. So Botsford, let me check the name, Tillman and Stanton, and you can see Tillman, Botsford, Stanton. And if we were to add a blog post, let me just change it back to English so it's easier for everyone. If we add a blog post, right, we can even add a background picture. So add this one here. Then the admins will get notified. You see the process run, and if we check Mailtrap, then it says new blog post edit, please check for community rules. Now, if we want to check posts by tags, you can just sort everything by politics by clicking on the tag. You see then all the blog posts that have been tagged as containing the topic of politics will be listed here. If you want to modify one of your posts, let me see if you have a post, and if we want to add, for example, I think we have a one called entertainment. Do we have this? tag. Can't remember. Yes, we have the tag. We can just tag it using this notation, and now it's changed its text to entertainment. Now we've got these sort of lists here regarding the most commented, most active users, etc. And if you, for example, I'm not sure how many this has. How many comments does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we start adding comments, you will see that it will jump up the rank. See, it's one up, and if we add another comment, then it might even become the first most commented post. Yeah, there we go. And of course, as you saw, the processes are running in the background, so emails are being sent for all the fellow commenters. So it's not just the interface you can communicate with this app via, you can also communicate via an API. So let's just take a look. For example, if you want to get comments for a specific post, this is post 33. You can do it. You just need to come here and send this GET request, and you will see that here's my dummy comment, here's my other dummy comment, and here are all the other comments. You can see there which are these ones here. There you go. So you can fetch it via an API, or you can update a comment. For example, so we're in post 33, and I think just need to check the ID in my MySQL. So if I want to update 303, I just need to go here, and if I come here and want to change it to updated comment, so from comment to updated comment, I won't be able, because I'm not authenticated. So what I need to do is just go in here to users and just grab my API token. I think I was the second line, right? Yes. So I need to grab this long string and edit as my token. So now I should be able to update it. And if I've got the confirmation here, and now if I reload, then this one should be changed to updated comments. Oh, sorry, this one. Yeah, this one was a tough one. My mistake. This one is probably 302. This is 303. So this sums up the review of this Laravel course. As you could see, this is a great project, and there are fair bits to further improve. If you're interested, for example, you could change the way tags are added. Instead of just typing them in, you could create a checkbox system to add the relevant text for your post, or you could enable editing comments via the interface, not just the API, as you could see. Or, for example, you could highlight or create a new section for new posts or recent activities for users just logging in now. Or create some stats for admins regarding user activity. Let's say how many blog posts per user, how many comments, displaying in a graphic version. So there's many things you can do once you get to this point where you complete the course. You can build this project further, or you can create your own project, whatever you're planning. So if you're interested in this course, the non-affiliate link is down below. Go and visit it. Once you're on the Udemy page, you will see that there are a number of taster videos as part of the course that you can check out for free. and just to get a better idea of the content and project overall. So why not go ahead, click the link and check out the course.